So creating hubs around those areas of industrial changes and creating incubators. And the idea of this hub that the government is supporting is to create those entrepreneurs to go from inception to become internationally recognized game changers.
We are very optimistic to have this approach of a digital transformation of the industry here in Hannover. And we have two mega trends, on the one hand globalization and on the other hand digitalization. And both, what we signed a couple of minutes ago, is that what we only can reach together in a global world and in a digital world, to exchanging information, to look what will be the future. And I'm really convinced to have this fantastic Congress from GMIS and to have our partnership with UNIDO to have this really global meeting place.